Welcome to the D.Y. Patil School of Nursing. The foundation stone of the School of Nursing was laid way back in 2008 at the hands of our very own Dada, Mr. Dhyandev Yashwant Patil. At the School of Nursing, we have the 4-year basic BSc Nursing program, the 2-year post-basic BSc Nursing program, the Masters and Doctorate in Nursing. We are happy to announce that we are enhancing the seat capacity and expanding on with 5 further specialities in the Masters program. We have been working very hard on a very new, comprehensive strategic plan focused on student enhancement, increasing diversity of thoughts and ethics, empowering our faculty and staff, strategic plans to incorporate evidence-based nursing practice, and innovations. We have a long tradition of educating nurses who are strong, capable, critical thinkers and clinicians. We are so fortunate to have the innovative education facilities and leading-edge immersive simulation center that includes facilities for advanced clinical simulation and progressive maternal skills. The scenic beauty of a campus, coupled with the grand stadium, the radio station, the NABH accredited parent hospital, the other health and higher learning schools, creates interactive and formative educational experiences that provide students a supportive environment on which to hone their interpersonal and empathic skills as well as their diagnostic and leadership skills. The faculty is always the first line of consultation for the learning desires as they are dedicated solely in supporting the students' investment in success. We are affiliated to Indian Nursing Council and Maharashtra Nursing Council. Our faculty and students are involved in a myriad of community outreach and service learning opportunities by which they make a difference. I'm excited mostly about the history, the legacy, the great things that this college has accomplished in the past. My goal as a new HOI is to move this college forward and really move the needle in terms of contributions and prepare students as leaders in the field of choice. You are all vital to the progress and success of the school. If you are considering for making a career in nursing or making plans to take your career to the next level, I invite you to browse through our SIM-based nursing programs.